Okay, our habit adder is looking really nice now. Let's make some other improvements to the app to make it look even nicer. First of all, I think these blue icons are a bit too bright blue, so I'm going to change those instead of blue 5 to cooler 5, which is a cool gray. I think that looks nicer. Maybe cooler 4 would work. Yeah, I want those to be pretty subtle. Now let's go into habit item and make some changes there. We're going to get rid of these edit and delete buttons. So I don't think we need edit at all. We're just going to delete that. But delete, we still need to be able to delete these, but we're not going to use that button. So I'm going to comment this out just so we can see how we're doing it here. And then let's delete this comment. Since we're not going to have editing mode, we can delete all this stuff about editing. We indent this back over. And we don't need this prop for editing mode anymore. And so there's how it looks. Now let's fix this delete item thing. We're going to need a way to delete the items, but I don't really want to have any buttons in the UI for it. I think one cool way to do it would be to have a click event on button that deletes them. So I'm going to say click equals emit delete item. And let's test that out. So if I click one of these, it gets deleted, but that's how you toggle the items, right? So we can't use click for this because that's supposed to toggle them. What if we said click.alt? We use the .alt event modifier for click, and that will mean it only deletes it if we're holding Alt while we click. So we do an Alt click, deletes it. It's awesome how easy it is to add that type of functionality, and I feel like it works well enough. Keeps our UI very streamlined. I think that's good. Now let's go to habit group, and I'm going to remove some of the styling here. I'm going to remove the background color and this padding. I'm going to remove this whole row. I'm going to remove this shadow. And I'm going to let those just float in the middle of the page without any sort of container around them. Okay, I like how that looks.